Imagine a workbench so compact and portable, you can bring it from this to this in just 2 seconds. That's right. Thanks to its unique patented opening system, all you have to do is grasp the opening on both sides, pull in the release latches, and there you have it. A practical workstation that saves you ample storage space. And it's sturdy enough to hold up to 1,000 pounds or 450 kilograms. You can even store your toolbox on its bottom level, keeping your tools always within hand's reach. But there's more. The unit also includes 2 clamps that can be easily mounted both horizontally and vertically, making it easy to saw, brush, nail, and do just about anything. So there you have it, the distinct heavy-duty Keter folding work table. You really can't get more practical than that.
Remember when your planer could handle every job you threw at it? The Win 12.5-inch benchtop thickness planer repurposes rough and worn wood while also providing uniformity to the thickness of your boards. Attack pieces up to 12.5 inches wide and 6 inches thick. Our 12-amp motor generates over 18,000 cuts per minute at a 26 feet per minute feed rate. Each full rotation of the knob adjusts the height of the planer at 1/16 of an inch, allowing for extremely precise measurements to meet the needs of the project at hand. The Win thickness planer also features a fully granite table to prevent scratches and marring to your board. Not only does this create a stable and perfectly flat base for wood to smoothly travel over, but it also provides a non-stick surface to prevent sawdust from clinging to the table. This package also includes a 2-inch fan-assisted dust port, a soft rubber grip adjustment handle, foldable in-feed and out-feed tables, side-mounted handles for easy transportation, and a tri-roller feeding system to help minimize snipe. Make boards flush, repurpose old wood, and get exact measurements, all with the Win 12.5-inch thickness planer. Remember when you brought those old jagged boards back to life?
Bench Dog Sound Shield Safety Glasses. Eye protection and ear protection in one convenient combination. No more misplacing earplugs, and you'll have hearing protection with a noise reduction rating of 25 decibels whenever and wherever you need it. The earplugs are connected to the frames by cords. Just slide the toggle to retract them, and they store in compartments in the earpieces. The glasses themselves are top-notch. They carry a high-impact safety rating and are hard-coated to resist scratches. They also have an anti-fog coating and provide protection against both UVA and UVB rays. Available as regular safety glasses or as fit-over prescription glasses, they incorporate rubber temple interiors for superior comfort and fit. To top it all off, a microfiber pouch is included to store and protect your sound shields when you're not wearing them. Shop safety is important, and there's no more convenient way to protect your eyes and ears than Bench Dog Sound Shield safety glasses.
When you're trying to get things done, nothing is more frustrating than working where it's hard to reach or where you can't see. Till now, meet the Cordless Flipout, an incredible power driver. It's compact to get into tight spaces other drivers can't, yet drives with the same power and torque as much larger tools. But here's the real magic. With Flipout, you'll always come at your work from just the right angle. Flipout delivers torque and power using a design based on industrial robots. There are 3 pivoting joints. The top one pivots to reach into tight spots. The middle joint lets you reach around or over, and the third joint gives you all this flexibility with 360 degrees of rotation. The result? Flipout locks into over 380 positions, giving you power in tight spots, power in hard-to-reach spots, power where you need it. Flipout gets the job done. Use a drill driver at the wrong angle and you'll quickly strip screws. The Flipout adjusts to drive screws straight on. And with the drill driver, you just don't have control for RTA furniture. A Flipout's variable speed switch gives you the touch you need to assemble furniture quickly. Flipout runs on a built-in 8-volt max lithium-ion battery. And you can fully recharge it in just 45 minutes. And even if it sits for a full year, Flipout still holds its charge. And maybe the best thing about the Flipout is it only weighs 1 pound. So whether you're working in hard-to-reach places on electrical or plumbing, or just need a powerful driver around the house, Flipout is a tool for you.
Introducing the rigid Octane hammer drill, delivering best-in-class torque with Octane power and intelligence. To make this tool intelligent, we designed a processor capable of identifying the battery's power output,
allowing the tool to maximize current in high-demand applications. With a powerful next-generation brushless motor, we unleashed a tremendous 1,300 inch-pounds of torque, while generating less heat and wear for longer motor life. The micro-clutch design increases torque control, giving the user over 100 settings, thanks to precision gearing built into the slip clutch. The rugged three-piece design is built to handle whatever the job site throws at it. And an ambidextrous mode selector allows the user to quickly switch modes in any position, while the 360-degree chuck light is designed to provide shadow-free visibility to the workpiece. We designed Octane terminals to deliver maximum power and intelligence when paired up with rigid Octane batteries. This smart communication starts with an electronic handshake. The instant the trigger is pressed, the battery and tool identify each other, raising power output to overcome high-demand applications. When other hammer drills are slow to deliver, the rigid Octane hammer drill powers through quickly, delivering over 65% more power when paired with Octane batteries. The rigid Octane hammer drill delivers best-in-class torque with extreme power and intelligence, and is compatible with all rigid 18-volt batteries.